South Africans, this is one of those courtroom moments nobody saw coming. The extortion and money laundering case against taxi boss Joe Ferraris Banyoni has officially been struck off the court roll. Not because the evidence disappeared, but because the prosecutor failed to show up in court. And it gets even more shocking. The magistrate reportedly gave the prosecutor a direct order to appear, but he still did not come to court. The magistrate then issued a warrant for his arrest and called his behavior unprofessional and a disgrace. Because of that, all four accused, including Joe Ferrari, walked free for now. The NPA has since suspended the prosecutor, but police say that the case is far from over. They insist the evidence is still strong and they are already working on getting the matter re enrolled back onto the court roll. Now, if you don't know who Joe Ferrari is, he's a Mpumalanga taxi boss believed to be worth around 300 million rands. He was arrested earlier this month with three co-accused for allegedly extorting more than 2.2 million rands in so-called protection fees from a mining businessman between 2022 and 2025. This case is definitely not finished, and many people will be watching closely to see what happens next. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and good night.